Here's how to activate iMessage and Facetime with phone number. So first of all, we have to add our phone number in Apple ID. So go to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, tap on name, phone numbers, email, and you will get your contactable add option. So tap on edit, tap on add email or phone number, select add a phone number, and select your country from this list and enter here your phone number. Tap on next, verify your phone number. Once you added your number, go back from here and scroll down and search for messages. So tap on messages, make sure to enable iMessage, tap on send and receive, and here select your mobile number. And the same way you can use your phone number in FaceTime. So tap on back, tap on FaceTime, and here select your number, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.